Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to flatten chicken. First you're going to start off with a chicken breast. You have a chicken breast right here. And you're going to need saran wrap. You see this? I have saran wrap. Okay, so first I'm just going to wrap the chicken up in the saran wrap. Just like that. Close it up. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm going to place it on a cutting board like such right here. And now once I have it on the cutting board, I'm going to bring out my rolling pin. Right here I have a nice rolling pin. And what you're basically going to do is just going to beat it. Not too hard. Just beats. Just keep on beating it until it starts to flatten out. It's going to take a little bit. The thing of it is you don't want to hit it too hard because it'll start to break apart, and that's one thing you don't want. So just take it, just keep on beating it. Then flip it over after about like 20 beats and do the same thing on the other side. Just keep on flattening it. Flip it over again. Just keep on beating it. And keep on flipping it. Don't keep on beating it on one side, because if you do it on one side too much, it's going to break apart. After so many beats, it'll start to really flatten out. Get it to the point to where how flat you want the chicken. And then you have flattened chicken. Just like that. And that's how you flatten chicken. You go ahead and season it, do whatever you want to, and then cook it. That's how you flatten chicken.